Pathward is hiring. They're currently looking for a payment network analyst, card network, to join their team. This is a remote position where you'll have the chance to work with a company dedicated to creating financial inclusion and providing opportunities for everyone. This role allows you to be part of a team that's transforming the financial landscape and making a difference in the lives of countless people. Before we get into the details, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who might be interested, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us share incredible job opportunities like this one with more people. Be sure to turn on the notification bell so you're always updated on the latest openings. This position is perfect for those who prefer not to be on the phone, as it involves no phone calls and no degree is required to get hired. It's an entry-level role focused on setting up and supporting payment networks. The responsibilities include configuring new programs, managing network documentation, and ensuring compliance with operating procedures. This is an opportunity to develop valuable skills while contributing to the seamless functioning of payment systems. Pathward offers a flexible hybrid working model, allowing employees to work remotely or from on-site locations in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, Scottsdale, Arizona, Troy, Michigan, Franklin, Tennessee, or Dallas, Texas. Regardless of location, every team member is part of a mission-driven organization that values innovation, collaboration, and inclusion. The company takes pride in fostering a diverse and welcoming culture. Pathward's humble, hungry, smart approach reflects their commitment to celebrating every individual and encouraging their growth. The role comes with a competitive hourly pay range of $16.59 to $29.59, along with a comprehensive benefits package. Employees enjoy health insurance, 401(k) retirement plans, paid time off, life insurance, and performance-based bonuses. Pathward believes in empowering people from all backgrounds. Even if you don't have all the qualifications listed, your unique experiences and perspectives could make you an excellent fit for this position. They are committed to building a culture where everyone feels valued and included. To learn more or to apply, check out the link in the description. For more remote job opportunities, explore our channel and website. We regularly share positions that don't require a degree, don't involve phone calls, and offer excellent work-from-home options. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos and website for more job postings. Good luck!